Hi, I'm Helmut Leiter with Cardinal Fresh. This is our Ozono Accelerado demonstration unit. It's sized to be able to handle packaged product from your own pack house. What we do is we have a system, a container that's very large enough to test 15, 20, or 25 cases of strawberries or any kind of berries, papayas, bananas, whatever product you have. We have the capability to doing small tests here, but under live commercial conditions. And what we do is that we close this door to start the process. It's really simple. It starts here. Let's make sure that the emergency button is out. It starts here. You do nothing more. The cycle occurs, and when this button is goes dark, you know the product is ready. But for our purposes, I'm going to show you, you push the emergency button, everything shuts down, and then you can, we have to wait a second because there's a vacuum under there right now. So we have to wait until the vacuum is off. And then what happens is you take the product out and you put it in your refrigeration unit and you simply observe, compare this to your normal process. And I can assure you one thing, all of our studies today show you're going to see an improvement in your product. So this is the demonstration unit. The idea here is we have container sizes that handle 10 pallets at a time. So this will give you an indication of how the bigger commercial units work. Thank you very, very much for your attention. Now you can see when there's a vacuum that we put in place, the door is able to open once the vacuum is shut.